Hey guys, what I've got here is the Akaso ultra lightweight 4K vlog camera, and this thing is absolutely tiny. Just look at the size of that. Now it's got a plastic build, but actually feels like it's made to last. It's quite a simple little thing. You've got the mic at the top, camera, there's lights that go on there, two little buttons there. There is a part down the bottom for the connections. So you've got the micro SD card slot, you've got the Type-C connection port, and you've got the reset button. Now, this is lightweight. And if you look on their website, they say that this is 36 grams, which is super, super light. Now, I'm not sure if they're telling porcupines or if they made an honest mistake, but I'm actually getting this at about 43, 44 grams. So a little bit heavier than what they say, but still light, but yes, their website is wrong. So this has got a lot of interesting features. It comes with a lot of really cool accessories. You can see here it says keychain, which will work with this waterproof case. You've also got this case here, just plugs in there. And that's actually a standard tripod connection. So you can take this out and you can connect this to anything really. Put this in your dashboard, that's a sticker. Put it in your dashboard, put it in your desk, put it wherever you want. And just like Apple are doing just now, magnets are all the rage. You can do this, use this clip. And it's very, very secure. 4K recording at 30 frames per second up to 60 minutes. Electronic image stabilization 2.0. 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and it doesn't work. Unfortunately, guys, this does not work. At least it doesn't work for me. So the company kindly sent this out to me 2 weeks ago, and 1 week ago I did an unboxing and I showed you how well this was all presented, and it was all nice, and I went through the whole unboxing experience, which you guys didn't see because I couldn't get this to work. Now, I'm getting different kind of problems. That's the thing. So I'm not sure at this point whether it's a hardware issue or a software issue. Now, I've contacted the company, I've explained the issues, and they said, don't worry, we'll send out another camera. And then they've kind of retracted that and said, sorry, we're out of stock, we'll send you a different camera in the future. So I'm left with this camera, which doesn't work. So yeah, I've got all these accessories in the camera and I can't really do anything with it. So why not show you guys what it's all about? So just to explain what the issue is, when you take the official charging cable here, which does work, but I'm using a different cable so that it stretches to my plug. When you plug it in, it does actually charge up, and this is what I got last week. It charged up consistently, and it was a red light, but nothing was happening. So I tried that lots of times. I reset it, and I couldn't get it to work. I couldn't get it to switch on. Bizarrely, after charging it again today, it's flashing blue, and it's flashing as if everything's okay, but it's still not working. So basically, they've got this camera app, official camera app, and you go to add camera and you go down to keychain, live preview, and you're supposed to hold it in. And this does have a full charge right now, and it's supposed to, it did it once it vibrated red there and that started flashing. I got it once, but even when I did that, you're supposed to get this Wi-Fi being broadcasted from here for it to connect. Nothing actually gets loaded up. There's no Wi-Fi connection there. So I previously assumed it could have been a hardware issue and there was something wrong, it just didn't work. Now I'm leaning towards it's either a battery issue or it's a problem with their app not working. So I don't know, I still don't know, but it doesn't work. Now, for those of you who don't know, Akaso do make action cameras. They're quite a popular action camera company. They rival GoPro, I would say, at the lower end of the market. Now, I've never owned one myself, but I've looked at a lot of reviews and I have been tempted to buy some because they're priced so low, and some of the features are great. So I've got nothing against the company. Some of their products do look quite good, at least from a value point of view. Their keychain, this keychain here, is apparently going to sell at $99 on Indiegogo, and it does look appealing. I can see the appeal for this, as far as you put this on your desk, your dashboard of your car, you can put it in your chest here, your head. I think they show your dog as well. Yes, they do. So you can see that, all the different ways that you could actually use this. And, you've got 20 megapixel photos, 124 degrees field of vision, slow motion, time lapse, and waterproof IP56. I'm not sure if that's just through the case or not. I'm not sure. So it does look really good. So I'm a little bit disappointed I didn't get to go out and try this for you guys and show you what this is all about. I do think the overall package is excellent. And I hope there's some other people out there that have had more luck with this. I think with mine, it's a battery issue, if I'm honest. But I'm not going to be able to get out there and show you what this is about. But this has been the ultra lightweight 4K vlog camera. It's not worked for me, but if you do check on YouTube, you will see some reviews of this. So if it's appealing to you, check out some other reviews. Other YouTubers have been out and they have tested this. But unfortunately, yeah, I've been through all the guides. I've done everything. Can't get it to work. Seems like a battery issue to me as far as it doesn't load up. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll speak to you all in the next one. Take care.